In this video, we will learn about the global structure of an HTML page which will contain our content. Now I am going to be creating my HTML document in the Notepad++. Now first I am going to create what's called a doc type, and to do that we will go ahead and open HTML tags. We will put an exclamation point inside. We will type out the word doc type followed by space and then the letters HTML. This is what's called a doc type. Now there are lots of different doc types available for creating different types of HTML documents. However, this doc type is what's called an HTML5 doc type. We are going to mostly be learning about HTML4 tags. However, these tags, HTML4 tags, can still be used with HTML5. So we are going to go ahead and save our document, and we'll save my document as index.html. The file name index.html is very common, and when you name something index.html and put in the folder on web server, the web server will commonly direct to index.html directly and bypass any other file names. We will get more into the actual file structure of websites a little bit later on. Now that we have our doc type, we are ready to move on to the HTML. So we will skip down here a little bit and we will type HTML. And inside of it we are going to use what's called a attribute. So we will type the word lang for language and equal sign, and inside quotes we are going to put en for English. Then we will go ahead and close our HTML tag. The HTML tag wraps the entire document, and it's where we will be putting all the rest of our tags. We will use the language attribute to specify the language of the page, which in this case will be English. Again, the HTML tags will wrap all the rest of your tags on your page, but the doc type should always come first because it's very special tag. Inside of our HTML tags we are going to create what's called a head tag. So we will create our opening head tag, and then we will create our closing head tag, and we will put some space between them so we can put things inside of a head tag. The head tag is header of the document. Now this won't actually render on the page, but it's included by meta information like tag, style sheet and JavaScript. Next we will go ahead and include a meta tag. So we will type out the word meta, and again we are going to go ahead and use an attribute. In this case we are going to use the char set attribute followed by an equal sign, then the double quotes, and we are going to go ahead and type UTF-8. Char set means character set, and in this case we are used character set UTF-8, and this is the character set that you will want to use 99% of the time you are creating website. If you are using a different character set, you will probably have a very specific reason for doing so, and you probably know why. The character set meta information is optional, but just like setting the language to English, it's good idea to include. So we will go ahead and save that, and you will notice that the meta tag is very similar to doc type tag, in that it does not have a closing tag to pair with it. That's because the meta tag is what's called a void element. There's no closing tag because there is nothing to put inside of the meta tag. The content and the tag are one and the same. We have most of the tags that we need to create our global page structure, but there's still a few more to learn. In the next video we will finish things up.